Welcome to this tutorial video on generating subtractive path planning for machining and surfacing operations using Element X. In this process, Element X utilizes two types of volumes: negative volumes for machining paths and positive volumes for surfacing paths. To define these volumes, we will use the available Boolean operations. Let's start with two simple shapes, a cube and a sphere. Our goal is to create a pocket in the cube using the sphere as the pocketing shape. To achieve this, we use the intersection feature of the Boolean operations. The resulting mesh from this operation becomes the negative volume, which will be used to generate the machining path. Next, we'll create the positive volume by subtracting the sphere from the cube using the difference feature. This positive volume will then be used to generate the surfacing path. To create a machining path, click on the Generate CNC Toolpath button. This will open a window that looks similar to the one used for additive toolpath generation. For subtractive machining, select the milling mode from the CNC type drop-down menu. In the Tool sub-window, you can choose the tool you'd like to use for generating the path. To design your own tool, use the Tool section located in the top ribbon. Two types of tools are available: ball end cutters and flat end cutters. Once you've designed your tool, you can save it and load it into the Generate CNC Toolpath window for use in your machining operations. After selecting the tool, set the cutting depths and slicing axes you want to use for generating the path, then press Run. This will create a pocketing path that follows the shape of the negative volume. The generated path can be exported either as standard G-code using your provided post-processor or as a robot-specific program using the RoboDK plugin. Now, let's explore the surfacing capabilities of Element X. Using the same Generate CNC Toolpath window, select the Surfacing option to create a surfacing path based on the positive model. For this example, we'll introduce a slicing direction with an angle of 10 degrees and with a minimal cutting depth of 30 mm above zero to achieve the desired path. If you want to surface only in the previously machined area, you can use both the positive and negative meshes as references. This allows you to create a localized path specifically tailored to the desired region.